In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use ChatGPT plus Novi AI to make awesome videos for my Faceless YouTube channels. Would you like to see that? All right, before we go ahead, make sure you click on the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget, first link in the description, you can join the Content to Cash Academy. It's on an 80% off discount. Yeah. And I know you will love to know how to create your YouTube channel, how to get it monetized, and of course, how to create digital products. So go ahead and click on the link in the description and join us. So let's get into the video. Novi AI is revolutionary. I'm telling you. I don't know where they got this from, but it's really been one of the lifesavers. Okay, so just go to Novi AI. It's actually an app. You have to download it on your phone. Okay, now they have the web version, okay, but I prefer to use on an app like this. So now, how does it operate? You can actually buy their packages, and you can see here the different packages here. You can upgrade, and then you can pay 1 year 50,000 naira for 1 year, which is actually a good bargain because you're going to get 6,000 coins, or you can pay 13,500 for 1 week for 840 coins, or you can decide to go the free way. It doesn't want me to leave. It wants to give me 100 coins for 6,065. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me go and go back. So another way to get coins is that you can actually watch an ad. Now, because I've already taken my 20 coins, you can get up to 20 coins daily if you watch ads. So that means it'll give you like about 4 ads to watch. So, and then you can get your coins. So they've made it really easy for people to be able to, you know, I mean, if you don't want to pay for their plans, all you just have to do is pay with your eyes. So that's it. Either you watch an ad to get coins or you pay direct if you don't want to waste time. So that's it about Novi AI. But I want to show you how I use this, okay? And of course, if you want to get better and more information, you know what to do. You just have to just send me a DM. So let's go over to ChatGPT, okay? So this is ChatGPT. I've already created, a story. Remember our story about Kung Fu Panda? I've already told it to create a story. So I want to show you how to create this particular story in Novi AI. So I'm going to copy everything because I want it to be a full story. So I'm going to copy it. Let's take it and copy everything. So you can decide to selectively copy it like the way I'm doing it, right? So let me see if you can also click on select all, but I don't want to pick up everything that's just there. So let's copy it. So I've copied that and I'm going back over to Novi AI. So what am I going to do? Oh, I think I have something already there. So let me copy that and remove that away. So I'll just paste it in here. As you can see, I have it pasted. So it can take up to 4,000 characters, up to 4,000 characters. So right now, once it gets to over 3,000, it shows you the number, but that means that our characters are not even up to 3,000. So I'm now going to click on this part here. Now look at it. You can actually pick a style. You have modern style, which is like normal human beings. You have manga. You have 3D. For this one, I'm going to choose 3D. Yeah, because I actually want to make it into a 3D, appearance feature. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want. In some of the videos I do, I use modern style because I want to make it look like real human beings. So, but for this one, I'm sticking with 3D style. Okay, so when I click on that, next thing is that you click on create. Now, clicking create, what it does is that it helps you it designs, the characters. It wants to bring it out, and then you now see how many coins you're going to use to create this particular video. Okay, so it's giving me, and I have like about 4 characters, but it's not showing the face. Sometimes it doesn't, then it's showing me that I need to use 30 coins. 30 coins to make this. Okay, I have like 54 coins, which is good. Next thing is that you have to look at the video size. This is the 16:9, which means that is YouTube shape. So you can click on that if you don't want it to be, if you want it to be 4:3, you want it to be 3:4, 1:1, or maybe just TikTok shape as 9:16. But I still want to keep it as or maybe let's make it 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is not bad. Let's make it 3 by 4 so it looks similar to what we got on Grok. So on Grok, what we were able to get was 2 by 3. Okay, so you can see here you can have different sizes, but I just want to go with 3 by 4, kind of like somewhere in the middle, not too big, not too small. Oh, I didn't click on OK. So it has changed it, right? It has changed it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and now let me tell you there's a difference. You can see here standard mode, 30 coins. You can see dynamic advanced mode, and this is actually going to animate everything from start to finish. And I'll show you how it comes to play when we get into the making of the video itself. Okay, so that's if you want to make it all fully animated, everything moving, hands moving. But this standard mode is more of panning, moving, like as if it's zooming in, zooming out, and all of that. So it's not really very, what's it called now, fluidy. Okay, so but there's something I do, right, to change its format, and it's a, it's a secret. I can tell you that about that later. Of course, you'll have to be in our paid course for me to tell you that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 30 coins. Let's see what it's going to give us. So it's rolling right now. It's going to give us something really cool. Don't forget it's 3D style I chose. So you can see it's creating the video. Okay, it's going to take some time. So let me just pause the video because it's going to take some time. Okay, so as you can see, it's already created it, and it already is giving you different. So let's just play it a bit.
One quiet morning in the Valley of Peace, Po was halfway through his fifth bowl of noodles when Master Shufu suddenly appeared beside him.
Okay, so let's just stop it there. I can see that what we have here is a combination of pictures that are going to be played in form of a carousel, and then music is added and there's a voiceover. I mean, it just gives you everything all together, right? It gives you the pictures, it gives you the voiceover, it gives you the music, it gives you everything. Although me, I always come here and I remove the music. Now it also put text on it if you wanted to have, like, subtitles, but I don't want that. So you can actually go over to all these tabs here, like where we have texts, right? And then you can remove it. So here it is, and I just don't want it. I'm just going to cut that off so I can even see, everything clean and clear. Then for the music, I don't want the music either. I don't use any other music apart from YouTube audio library. I don't want to copyright anything. So I come here and I remove that. I don't need the music, right? Then for the voices, you can choose a male voice, a female voice. Some of them you have to use a coin. Some of them you don't have to bother. They can allow you some free, voices. But for now, just pick any voice you want. But I have chosen Jessica, which is a nice one. Okay. So then you go back to pictures. Now, if you are not satisfied with any of the pictures, as you can see, I'm just clicking on the pictures. If you're not satisfied with any of the pictures, what you will do is you come in here. Let's say I don't like this one, or let me look for something else. Let's say I don't like this. Okay, this one is looking like I don't even know what this is. So if I don't, I just click on change. You can click on this one that says AI generator or generation. It will give you a prompt. You can see Master Shifu with a sigh. Can you see that? It will give you a prompt. You can just copy that. You can edit it and add whatever you want, right? Copy it and then go and generate it in Grok. Okay? Now you can also decide to change it around and generate it here with 5 coins. But you now choose what you want. Generate it in Grok. Either you generate the picture in Grok and come and upload here. So let's assume I generated it in Grok and I like it. So I'm just going to come back here and then click on upload image, and then I can now go pick any image and then put it in, right? So I'm comfortable with all the pictures and I'm not going to change anything. Okay, so you can just
Shifu sighed, "No, it's just my peach. But still, go get it." Eager to prove him.
So now let's assume I actually want to animate some of them, because to animate you are going to have to use your coins to do that. So let me click on one that I would like to animate. Let's choose one to animate. Let me see. I like the
Po was halfway through his
Do you think I would animate that one? I'm thinking of something that will animate that will really be cool. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out which one do we want. Let me choose something. Okay, let's animate this riverside images to dynamic videos. That is the one that will be animating. So I want to do this one. So I'll click on start because it's already seen that. So when I click on start, it's going to ask me, do I want to animate this? Now, this is going to cost me 15 coins. Let's just do that so we can actually then, you can animate everything. And that's telling you that's 360 coins, or you can choose the current image. So let's do the current image only, right? So it costs 15 coins. So let's just click on 15 coins, and it's going to take 15 coins away from what we are using. So it's animating it. So we want to see how this looks. Okay. If it's really cool, we are good. But besides that animation, it's just giving you panning, it's adding music and soothing sounds and all of that. So I'm waiting for it. Let's see how it will go. Okay, it's like it's ready. Let's see what it's gonna give us.
After a ridiculous chase
Wow,
involving bouncing
interest,
through bamboo groves,
interest.
dodging angry geese, and
Bad, not bad. Let's see. Wow. Let me show you.
after a ridiculous chase involving bouncing through bamboo groves,
That's not bad at all. So you can see how I just animated one. So if I wanted to animate all of it, I'll have to spend 15 coins for each. So that's not what I want to do, right? So let's assume we're still working with our, panning and zooming and all that, right?
dodging angry geese, and
You can see, you know,
one quiet morning in the Valley
you
of
can see how it's
Peace,
panning,
Poe was halfway through his
how
fifth
it's
bowl of
moving.
noodles when Master Shu.
So if it's not really dynamic, if it's not like the other one, right? If you want to make everything, all movement and animation, you can just click on, animate all, and then you part with the coins. Or you can choose a few that you want to animate. So let's assume we're good. I don't want to go and still waste time any further. Looks like a good story, so let's still check what's going on.
When he stopped, dizzy and covered in tofu, the peach sat perfectly in his paw, untouched. Tigress sighed.
I don't know how this one happened. Some images may be like Siamese twins. Something like this. I don't know what this is all about. I really don't understand. So because I don't even like this image, I may just try and take some time and go and do this in Grok. Let's see what it will give us in Grok, right? Because Grok is for creating images also. So let's copy it and go and see what it will give us. Okay. So this is an ugly picture. So let's go see what it will give us in Grok and see what's gonna give us. It's supposed to give us a picture first. Well, that's interesting. So I gave us a picture. Right. So let's just use this and download it and change it because the stress. I don't even like the look of that other one that we saw. So I'll go here and then all I just have to do is change it to that picture. Upload image. So let's go with that. So just want to change it to tiger. So that's how you change in whatever deformity that you've seen. If it's not looking good, just go change the character, go change the image, right? And upload it here and we're good. So final step is to click on export. And then when it exports, it will export it as a video. That means it's just going to be showing us how it is showing. So you just click on export as video and then wait for it. Okay, it's currently at 94%. Let's hope it's done. Okay, so it's already saved to the album, and then all you just have to do is go check your video, and that's it. Hope you've learned something from this Novi AI. It's really a good one. Okay, so you click on done, you would have saved, and then you can have access to doing more. Like I told you, you can get more coins, right, by watching ads or just buying a subscription. Please let me know if there's any questions you have about this, and I'll be glad to answer. Okay, don't forget that we have our Content to Cash Academy. Click on the link in the description, and we'll see you there.